welcome to Yardahan! We're now here at airport! Yes, let's go mga guys. Ito, mag-vlog na tayo. I-interviewin natin ang mga first time traveler. Tulad niya. Sis. Sis, wala pa mong tulog ka na. Okay guys, so we're waiting for our boarding. We're flying via Singapore Airlines. So mamaya, we'll get you through our flight. So, see you! Ito na sila! Guys, so while waiting for our boarding time, gagawin kami ay mag transition. Yes. Oops. Guys, boarding na, boarding! Boarding na po! There's our airplane. It's Singapore Airlines. Guys!
Isang line pa na talaga.
Guys, look! We have a screen! And a window seat. Thank you, Jesus! Guys, we're now on the plane. Let's go! Look, we have it.
Welcome on board Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on the
Guys, look at their demo. It's on the screen. And now
there are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. Count the rows of seats to the closest.
guys, our food is here. Kakain na. Makakakain si sis. Kanina pa kasi siya naghihintay. Guys, we have Singapore sling. Alam mo, chita kanina. So, yeah. Kakain na po kami. Medyo malikot lang kasi galaw ko lang. So, kaya siya. Guys, see you later. Bye. Guys, update. We're still on the plane. Tapos nang kumain. So, ngayon, retouch ang mga person. While watching Wreck-It Ralph. Guys, we're here na. Pababa na kami. Look at the view. It's so nice. Kikita niyo dyan from afar yung mga famous spots sa Singapore. Guys, we're here at Changi Airport.
Ano daw sabi niya?
Sabing crew. Guys, we're here at Singapore. We're here. pwede ma-zoom in pala pala. Si Ana, si Kat, sila PJ. Guys, ito na. Pababa na kami. Ayan sila. PJ Johnny. Thank you so much. Mga sis! Pagod na. Mga pagod na sa buhay. Let's go! We're here! Mga sister! Yan. Pero ang unang gagawin sa SG, mag-CCR. Yes! Mga sumakses sa life! Welcome to SG! Hi! We're here at Changi Airport. So, medyo magulo lang yung... Sorry, lumang kasi kami dun sa ilalim. Medyo magulo yung vlog ko kanina kasi ang dami nangyayari talaga. So, ngayon medyo settled na. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng immigration dito sa Changi Airport because we're gonna have our transit or layover. Tapos, lalabas muna kami. And then, we're gonna have some tour outside and sasama namin kayo. Bye! Okay guys, nakalabas na kami ng immigration and now, first job is transition. Let's go. Guys, our friend is here. It's Jen! Jenica! Kala mo mga balikbayan? Ay, parang mga welcome!
Ito po yung behind the scene every day.
Every withdrawal.
Hindi pa.
Diba?
Tapos nun, para 180 divide kung magkano kayo guys.
Guys, nakataxi kami ngayon. Ito sila. Let's go, sis! Welcome to Singapore. Guys, we're here at the Marina Bay. Look at everyone. God, it's so nice. Ang ganda. Mga vlogger. Look at that. Wow! So nice. Yes. Look. Kat, what can you say that we are here? So happy. Ayan na. Transition na daw. Transition na. Sis, lain na nang iniisip natin dyan, sis. Sis. Sis, naiiyak ka na yata. Okay guys, now we're going to the Merlion. Walking distance lang siya, guys. Here. Guys, ayan na siya. Can you see that? Ang laki niya. Ang laki niya in person, in fairness. Ceci, what can you say? Roar. Roar. The lion says roar. Now, it's time to eat. Kakain na tayo. Pero maglalakad muna tayo ng 13 minutes. Yeah, that's 1-3. 13 minutes. Sarap po. So, update ko na lang kayo guys later. Bye! Okay guys, update. We're still walking.
Sobrang init guys. Grabe. Nagsando na ako. Hindi ko na kinaya.
And wala pa. Hindi pa kami nangangalahati. So, it's
Grabe yung mga ano dito.
still a long walk. Pero ang ganda oh. Yung pavilion, Marina Bay. Okay guys, so ngayon, nagbibili na ng food. Dito kami sa Lau Pasa. Yan, mga food court. So ngayon, kakain muna kami bago mag-rest. Kasi gutom na mga version. Let's go! Sarap ng food nila.
The next day.
Hey guys, we're now on our day 2. We're waiting for the bus. Yan na yung bus. Okay, nakababa na kami ng bus. Oo. Papasok sa kapaan.
Katatapos pagpaano.
Yeah. Tama mga sis. So, ayan. First time nilang mag MRT sa life. So, let's go. Okay guys, now pabalik na kami ng airport.
Dito naman.
We're going to the Jewel. Let's go. Anak, kaya mo pa? Nasira po kasi yung handle ng luggage. So ngayon, diguyod na lang ang aming luggage. We're back at the Changi Airport. So we're on our way to the Jewel. And look guys, can you see that? It's Peanuts! Snoopy! Snoopy's here. And guys, ang ganda ng bag. Oh. Look. But we're going here.
Send ka muna ng $50.
Okay guys, ito na yung update sa maleta. Ganyan pa rin siya. Ayan. We're going to the Jewel. Let's go! So, update guys, that's the Jewel. Ano po? Taran! Lapit na tayo. Guys, I can see the fountain. Sorry, it's the rain vortex pala. Dito po! Ay, wala pala. Pero pag ganyan. Akala ko pa may daan eh. Ayun pala may daan. Dito na lang po, mas malapit. Guys, update. So, ngayon nagmamadali kami papunta sa SkyTrain. Kasi, wait, malikot ang video. Ang boarding namin is 11:10 and it's already 11:03. Kaya, namamadali ang mga person. Pero, si Jaire, pak na pak pa rin ang sleeveless niya. Guys, dito na kami sa Terminal 2. We're on our way to immigration. Ayan sila. Alam mo, alikot ng video natin. Time check, 11:06. Pero hindi pa namin alam ano ang gate namin. Kaya, let's go. Bye. Guys, update. We made it. But it's already 11:26. Ayan na sila. Oh. So, hintayin na kami. Hindi pa talaga sumasakay sa plane or nag-board. Kasi sabi lang namin we're so pagod. Are you pagod? So, we're off to... Saan na tayo? Off to Vietnam.